Good morning, children. Children, today we will do chapter 15 in English grammar, that is position words or prepositions. Okay? Children, today we are going to start chapter number 15 in English grammar, which is position words. Position words are also called as prepositions. Okay? So let us see few examples. Look at the examples, children, that I have written here. Look at the picture. The flower is in the pot. Now, the statement is answering the question, where is the flower? Flower kahan hai? The flower is in the pot. Flower pot ke andar hai. So, in means inside of something. Okay. Next example, just you see. Where is the ball? Now, the answer to this question is, the ball is on the table. You can see it is kept on the table and it is touching the table. So you will say on the table. Okay. Next example. Where is the ball? The ball is under the table. You can see in the picture it is under. Under means niche. Okay. On means ऊपर. Table के ऊपर. Under means table के नीचे. The ball is under the table. Okay, let us see the next example. Look here, children, number 4. Where is the ball? The ball is between the flowers. Ball flowers के बीच में है. Beach means between. Next question. Where is the tree? Now, the answer to this question is, the tree is behind the house. Behind the house, you can see in the picture, behind the house, at the back. Okay, in Hindi means पीछे. घर के पीछे. So, in English it is behind. The tree is behind the house. So, all these words, children, in, on, under, between, behind, they tell us where the object is. Okay, where the thing is, or where the person is, or where the animal is. So the words that tell us where a person, place, animal or thing is, they are called position words. They tell us the position of a particular thing. Okay, it can be living thing or it can be non-living thing. So the words that tell us the position of the words, where they lie, position of the objects, where they lie, they are called prepositions or position words. Now let us see some more examples given in your book. The first example, you can see where are the books? They are kept on the table. The books are on the table. Next, the flowers are in the vase. The boy is jumping into the pool. Now, the boy has not gone inside the water. पानी के अंदर नहीं है, इसलिए in the pool नहीं बोलेंगे. अभी वो he is in motion. वो अभी जा रहा है पानी में, है ना? So when a person or when a boy has already jumped and has not reached its final point, बीच में है तो into बोलते हैं. Okay, the boy is in motion. वो धीरे धीरे पानी के अंदर जा रहा है, अभी गया नहीं है. So we will use here into and we will not use in. जब वो पानी के अंदर चला जाएगा, when the boy will go inside the water, तब बोलेंगे the boy is in the pool. Now he has not gone inside, so he is in motion. वो अभी जा रहा है, is going. So you will write into. Next is the river is flowing under the bridge. You can see bridge के नीचे. Under means नीचे. Next question is, Sita is standing between her brothers. You can see the picture. Next is, put the ladder against the wall here. Okay. Next is, the ball is under the table. You can see. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. Above, ऊपर. So, Children, words like into, under, above, between, against, in show us the position of things. They tell us where someone or something is. Therefore, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? They are called position words or prepositions. Am I clear, children? Now let us see some more examples given over here. On, you can see the picture. Under, the ball is under the table. Near, near means पास में. Above, between, behind. Next example is in front of. In front of means आगे. Okay. Beside, beside means by the side, बगल में. And then we have in, the fish is in the water or the fish is in the aquarium. Okay, so let us do one exercise given in the book. Children, question number 2 you'll put across. Okay, we'll do only question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct word in the brackets. The first one is, let us see. Fill in the blanks with the correct words in the brackets. I have already written the answers, children. The owl, the pictures are not given, so you have to apply your common sense. You have to think, children, what should be the correct word, and then you have to write the answer. Okay. The first one is, the owl is sitting dash the branch of a tree. So you have to fill on. It is sitting on the branch of a tree. Okay, branch के अंदर तो नहीं रह सकती, branch के ऊपर बैठती है ना. So you write here, ऊपर means in English on. Okay. It is touching the branch, so on हो गया. When it is not touching the branch, तब above हो जाएगा. Okay. When it is sitting on the branch and it is touching the branch with its legs or with its feet, तो on लगाएंगे. Okay. Number B, the bird flew dash the tree. Now there are two answers given, over or on. On में क्या होता है? ऑब्जेक्ट को टच करते हैं. बट बर्ड्स आर नॉट टचिंग द ट्री. व्हेन दे आर फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. हवा में उड़ रहे हैं. तो पेड़ के ऊपर उड़ने का मतलब हुआ ओवर. द बर्ड फ्लू ओवर द ट्री. ओके, सॉरी, हियर द बर्ड फ्लू ओवर द ट्री. नेक्स्ट इज, आई सॉ योर स्लीपर्स डैश द बेड. इट शुड बी अंडर द बेड और इन द बेड. बेड के अंदर तो नहीं होगा, बेड के नीचे. सो अंडर यू विल राइट. D number, the butterfly is sitting dash the flower, on the flower. E number, the boy is standing near the tree. Okay, near, पेड़ के पास खड़ा है. पेड़ के ऊपर तो खड़ा है नहीं बोलेंगे, पास खड़ा है, near. You have to select the most suitable answer. Okay. The crocodile swam dash the pool. Into the pool or across the pool. Into I have already explained. Now across means from one side to the other. एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ जाना. So across is most suitable here. So you write here, the crocodile swam across the pool. Next, G number, the bank is dash the mall. Behind or into? It cannot be into. Behind. Mall के पीछे bank है, so behind. Sheena sat dash the dining table for lunch. At the dining table. We don't sit on the dining table. Dining table के ऊपर तो नहीं बैठते हैं. So on is not correct. Here when you are sitting near the dining table for lunch, then we use this word at. Okay. Next is, Rajat fell dash the horse. Off the horse. Off the horse means horse से वो नीचे गिर गया. Okay. OFF. J number, the cat jumped dash the table. Now it cannot be into. टेबल के अंदर तो नहीं घुस पाएगा, वो लकड़ी के अंदर तो नहीं घुस सकता है. On to the table, तो वो टेबल के ऊपर जंप कर गया. So on to the cat is in motion. कूद के वो टेबल पे गया. So when something is in motion, we say on to. Okay. So you do this work in your grammar book, and question number 2 you will cut it. We don't have to do this. So this you do and study and revise whatever we have discussed today. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.